Jose Marie Borja Visceral, born on March 31, 1976, known professionally as Vice Ganda, is a Filipino comedian, actor, host, singer, and television personality. He is considered one of the most successful entertainers in Philippine show business, noted for his stand-up routines, usage of observational comedy, situational irony, and sarcasm in pertaining to Filipino culture and human sexuality. He is a regular host on ABS-CBN's noontime variety show It's Showtime, and has starred in 3 of the top 10 highest-grossing films in Philippine cinema. Vice Ganda began a career as a singer and stand-up comedian for Punchline and The Library in Manila. He became more recognized in the talent search program It's Showtime, and gained widespread popularity in his first lead role in the 2010 remake film Petron Caballo, and staged his first major concert in Araneta the same year. He broke several box office records in his succeeding releases. Dubbed as the phenomenal superstar by the media, Vice Ganda is the highest-grossing Filipino movie actor of all time, with a total movie gross of 4.6 billion pesos since 2022. He has received numerous awards, including the Asian Academy Creative Awards, a FAMAS Award, a Guinness World Record, and a star on the Eastwood City Walk of Fame, with nearly 50 million combined followers. He is one of the most followed Filipino personalities across all leading social media platforms. Forbes Asia lists him among the most influential celebrities in Asia Pacific, while Reader's Digest named him as one of the most trusted personalities in 2023. He was the first LGBTQ endorser for Globe Telecom. Vice Ganda has attained super celebrity status that would qualify him as a cultural icon. Vice Ganda and Ian Perez love story. The timeline. Vice and Ian's first meeting. Ian was first discovered when he won the international male pageant Mr. Universe Tourism 2018. In May 2018, he and other male beauty titlists watched the late-night talk show Gandang Gabi Vice. It was a brief encounter as Ian was only asked to dance while Carlos sang Pusang Bata. After the number, Vice and Ian shared a quick hug. Then Ian went back to sit with his fellow beauty titlists. Ian's first day on It's Showtime. On September 19, 2018, Ian was launched as Kuya Escort on ABS-CBN's noontime. Upon seeing Ian on stage, Vice got distracted and was instantly charmed by the cute chinito who hails from the province of Concepcion, Tarlac. It was just the beginning of more killing feels between Vice and Ian. September 27, 2018. On-screen romance. Ian soon became a regular Kuya Escort and would often get longer TV exposure because of his on-screen flirtation with Vice. November 27, 2018. Ian introduces his mom to Vice. Ian's mom came to the studio to watch the live telecast of It's Showtime. It was Ian's 28th birthday, and his only wish was for his mom to live a long and healthy life. Then Ian told Vice that his mom was there among the studio audience. November 24, 2018. Ian opens up about his life story. 3 days earlier, Ian talked about coming from a poor family in Concepcion, Tarlac. His late father was a jeepney driver, and his mom was a coconut vendor. Ian's humble beginnings were the reason he felt so lucky to be part of It's Showtime. Not after Vice's fame. As early as the time, Ian was being accused of using Vice for fame. Still based on his TV interview with Boy Abunda, Ian made it clear that he has no ulterior motive in befriending Vice on and off cam. January 1st, 2019, Vice and Ian's Tampa hunt on New Year's Day. It soon became evident that Vice and Ian's killing vibe is not just for show. When It's Showtime went live on New Year's Day, Vice refused to speak with Ian because of a personal tampon. Vice Ganda's boyfriend. Then the day finally came for Vice to officially declare that Ian is his boyfriend. On October 26, 2019, Vice Ganda finally confirmed on national television that Ian Perez is his boyfriend. His admission happened on the last day of Magpasakak, which was a week-long celebration of It's Showtime's 10th anniversary. For the first time, Vice found a man who openly speaks about loving him without fear of being judged for being in a same-sex relationship. October 19, 2021, Vice Ganda and Ian tie the knot after 2 years of being a couple. Vice and Ian sealed their commitment to each other when they got married in Las Vegas. Vice and Ian kept it a secret from the public for months and only announced it on Valentine's Day, February 14, 2022. Vice Ganda gives a tour of his newly furnished industrial-style home. Take a look inside the comedian's 1,300 square meter home. The exterior of Vice Ganda's house looks especially stunning at night. You'd think that, with its all-gray look, Vice's home would look dull at night, but that simply isn't the case. The exterior is actually covered in lights from the stairs leading up to the main door, bringing the place to life in the dark. The living room is full of quirky pieces, like a horse sculpture and a vertical sofa. It's impressive how the comedian managed to fuse his love for unique, quirky pieces with the house's industrial aesthetic. In the living room, he has a life-size sculpture of a horse, a totem-like chair, plus a vertical sofa where guests can sit comfortably while waiting. It has a fingerprint-activated elevator. An elevator is almost a must for a luxe home like Vice's. But here's what makes the comedian's extra special. It can only be activated with his fingerprint, unless he allows security to operate it without him there. The den doubles as an entertainment room. If we were guests in Vice Ganda's home, we definitely want to hang out in the den. It has an ultra-wide screen with a projector and surround sound perfect for a movie night. Vice displays some of his trophies on a big shelf. At the back of the den is a huge display of the awards Vice has won throughout the years. He shares that there's more where this came from, and he's still deciding where to put them. That said, the trophies here are actually glued onto the shelf to prevent the sound vibrations from knocking them over. The dining room can fit up to 12 people. Someone as outgoing as Vice obviously needs a lot of space to host, and his dining room is well suited for the job. The dining table has enough space for a 12-person feast. Other details we love about this space include the art displayed on the walls and the gorgeous layered round lamps hanging from the ceiling. The clean kitchen has a dumbwaiter. As revealed in his first house tour, the comedian's home has both a clean and a dirty kitchen. A standout feature in the clean kitchen is the dumbwaiter, which is basically a mini elevator that can transport food from the kitchen to another floor. How cool is that? It has an above-ground pool and a jacuzzi. The pool area in this house can rival that of a luxury hotels. Vice chose an above-ground style for his, complete with a jacuzzi. There's also a spa room with a sauna. Though he already revealed this detail in his first house tour, we still can't get over the fact that Vice has an entire spa room with a sauna at home. His walk-in closet looks like a department store for someone as fashion-obsessed as Vice. We expected nothing less than luxurious from his walk-in closet. That said, we were still amazed at the multiple shelves and racks for all of the comedian's clothes, shoes, and bags that could rival that of the department stores. He wrapped up the vlog by conveying a message for everyone who, just like him, also has big dreams and goals. I know you have goals in life too, and achieving them can also make you tired. It's not bad to rest, but don't stop. There are people who will wish for you to fail, but you were born to make it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Take care always.